Hello traders and welcome to the Simple Forex Setup Show. I'm going to be going through 10 different currency pairs and looking at setups for this week. Let me just share my screen and let's get started. All right. So the first currency pair that I'm looking at is Euro AUD. So Euro AUD at the moment, it's the direction is long. So I'm still looking at long opportunities, but I need that price to retrace back a little bit before entering in. This is a trade that we entered last week, I think, and that has reached risk to reward ratio 3 to 1. So yeah, so at the moment it's already extended. So to be able to enter this trade, the price needs to retrace back either to this level here or even to the trend line there. So still looking for long on this one, but not at the moment. So that setup will take a little while to happen. The next currency pair I'm looking at is USD Jpy. So with this currency pair, the trend is currently going short. So I'm looking for short entries. On the 4-hour time frame, for the entry, I'm looking at any reversal that might be coming up over the next few bars or even few days. If there is a setup, then I'm looking for a short. Next currency pair is AUD USD. In this currency pair, I'm also looking at a short. And that's the way that the price has been heading. To be able to enter, I need the price to come back to one of the trend lines. So somewhere in this area here in the entry zone, and then I would look to short again. I think this is also one we entered around this area here and also reached 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio last week. So yeah, need to wait for that price to come back now. The next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro USD. This currency pair, I'm looking at a short as that's where the price is heading. Just being a little bit mindful of the sort of range that it could be in at the moment between those two. So possibly reducing risk on this trade, but otherwise it is still in a downtrend. So looking for the price to retrace back to those trend line levels or that horizontal, and looking for a short then. So again, this will take a few bars to set up, possibly a couple of days before we can actually enter. The next currency pair is Gbp Jpy. So looking at the daily time frame, that trend has been going down, I guess, within it's currently within the channel. So I might be looking at a reversal around that bottom of the channel. So let's see what happens with the price action here. But if it just comes back, we're going to be looking for a short again around this area on a reversal. Next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro Jpy. So on the daily, Euro Jpy going down. So looking for shorts, short entries. So at the moment, the price is a little bit up. I am looking really for the price to come up to this level or even higher before looking for a short entry. Next currency pair is Gbp Usd. On the daily, the direction is downward, so I'm looking for short opportunities on this currency pair. For the 4-hour time frame, I'm looking for a pullback into the entry zone somewhere near the trend line, and then looking for candlestick setups in the opposite direction, so a reversal. The next currency pair I'm looking at is USD Cad. USD Cad on the daily has been on the up, so I'm looking for long positions for this currency pair. At the moment, looking for that pullback first. So pullback down to the this level, this entry area. So either to the trend line or this longer time frame trend line as well, either one, and then looking for the reversal then. Next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro Gbp. So in terms of direction, I'm now looking for long. Now this one is also ranging in the ranging market. So it's sort of a combination of the different strategies, because a ranging strategy would be different to a trend strategy. So here I'm looking for long opportunities. At the moment, it's already quite high up. So looking for pullback either to the tops there or to the trend line, and then looking for a reversal and looking to take a long opportunity. And the last currency pair I'm looking at is Gbp Cad. Gbp Cad, it's also in a ranging market there. At the moment, in terms of the price action, it's been going up. So on the 4-hourly, I would be looking for a long, either along the trend line or at the tops of those, the current price range there. So looking for a reversal for a long opportunity. If you have any questions, pop them into the chat. I'll go in and have a look. And let's see, New Zealand having floods. I don't know, I'm not in New Zealand. All right. Just remember this show is now live at 1 p.m. Singapore time on Wednesdays. So I will be back next Wednesday at 1 p.m. live. Otherwise, if you want to catch me on the Telegram group, then also you can subscribe to that, and then I'll pop the link in the chat, and then you can see the trades that I take and also any trade management as well on that in that group. So thank you very much for today, and I look forward to seeing you next week, 1 p.m. Singapore time on Wednesday. Have a great week. Bye for now.